It's 2004, and the internet is rapidly becoming a part of everyday life. With that comes a brand new player in the online dating world, Tinder. Promising a straightforward way to meet people, Tinder makes its debut, but is it the revolutionary dating site we've been waiting for, or just another shot in the dark? Tinder's sign-up process couldn't be simpler. Just a few clicks, and you're in. You do need to upload a profile photo, which might seem like a step in the right direction for authenticity. However, there's a catch. There's no verification process. That means anyone can upload just about any photo, and suddenly the whole platform feels like a gamble. The lack of photo verification makes it all too easy for someone to create a fake persona, adding an element of risk to your online dating adventure. Once you're set up, Tinder's interaction method is as simple as it gets. You're presented with a series of profiles and given a choice. Hit yes if you're interested, no if you're not. If the other person also selects yes, it's a match, and you're free to start a conversation. From there, it's all about seeing if the sparks fly, or if your new match is as genuine as their profile suggests. While this yes or no system is refreshingly straightforward, it also feels a bit like flipping a coin. With no real way to verify who you're talking to, it's all too easy to end up chatting with someone who might not be who they claim to be. The thrill of the match is real, but so is the risk. Tinder's launch has definitely grabbed attention with its user-friendly approach, but it also leaves much to be desired in terms of safety and authenticity. The site's simplicity is a mixed blessing, making it easy to connect with others, but also easy to be deceived. As the platform evolves, it will need to address these issues if it wants to stand out among other online dating services. Will Tinder become a trusted name in the dating world, or will it remain a risky venture for those looking for love? The future will reveal if it can rise to the challenge and refine its approach. For now, Tinder is an exciting, if somewhat perilous, option for the brave souls of the digital dating world.